This is perhaps a job filled with many challenges, requiring meticulousness, high concentration, and courage. This is a repair yard for heavy machinery used in mining. Most of the machines that encounter issues are brought here for repair or maintenance. In this video, let's explore the daily work of the repair workers here. This is a heavy-duty truck. Due to being overloaded once, the truck's cargo container has been severely damaged. These workers have been tasked with replacing it. First, they will remove the connecting pins between the cargo container and the truck frame. Because it is too rigid, they have to use a heavy iron bar to gradually loosen the pins. After removing the pins, they tie ropes to both sides of the container. When the container is lifted, they will pull both ends of the ropes to balance it, preventing the container from swaying and minimizing the risk of cable breakage. Then, the tractor is signaled to move away and carefully lower the container down safely. Immediately after, another container also needs to be replaced. They quickly signal for the truck to move into the correct position for disassembly. A crane has been dispatched.
Oh, it's moving.
But before it can be lifted, the workers must remove all the bolts or pins holding the two parts together. For the tightly fastened bolts, the workers have to exert a lot of effort to complete the task.
When they start moving this one.
Once they ensure that all the pins have been completely removed, they use a safety lock pin to attach the chain to the crane. The chains are gradually lowered, and at this point, the workers must concentrate. They need to pull the chains tight and distribute them evenly on both sides, with each chain attached to a safety lock pin. In total, there are 4 safety lock pins. The workers take turns hooking them together. One important thing to note is that when lifting, the chains often get caught on the side of the container, causing the chains not to be taut. If they continue to lift like this, the cargo container will tilt and could lead to it overturning. To solve this issue, one worker climbs up and pushes the chain to balance it. Soon after, the heavy cargo container was lifted and slowly lowered to the ground to await repairs. This is part of the work of the workers here. Let's send them our best wishes for good health.